I just took the cabinet off of there. So it's not all about just the bass and stuff. Sometimes it's, you want to have something nice for when you solo or do different things like that. Or I consider a lot of the sound, the majority of the sounds I do, even, using these pads and different things like that. All that stuff is technically bass synth to me. I'm using the bass and I'm creating, and it sounds like a synth. So I'm just saying what it is. If you think about it, yeah, of course, other if you run a bass synth on a keyboard, it doesn't stop at a certain key. It doesn't stop when you get the middle C. It goes all the way up, and you can actually use the upper register of a key bass. So I look at it like that, as like an upper register of a key. If I had a keyboard, using a bass synth sound upper register to create different sounds, things like that. So, but yeah, something like an MS-50G definitely keeps you from spending a ton of money on reverbs and delays and stuff like that, because it's going to give you a ton of that stuff plus modulations and things like that. But it's going to give you guitar amp models and things like that if you want to have access to those as well. So it really just depends on what you need. I would recommend doing something like that first, and then finding out what you really like, what sound you like, and then if you want to get something more expensive like a Strymon and all that other stuff, um, then yeah. But most bass players aren't going to use delay and reverb all the time like that. So to be investing in the H90, you know what I'm saying, or something of that nature. So I would say really good alternative is that MS-50G, and it's also going to give you some of these synth sounds as well in there, as well as going to give you a bit crusher and a ring mod and distortions, compressors. It's going to give you access to a few different things. Not the exact bass versions they make on the MS-60B, but on the MS-50G, it's going to give you different versions of stuff. So that also helps as well. But yeah, let's keep moving. So let me see some apple juice. Let's go. So another thing, let's go. Check out. Let's check out some more synth type stuff. Um, if you have a key nine, right? I don't know, for all the key nine users, that's this pedal right here. It looks white. It's black, but it's just the way the light is shining on it. It's hitting it. But that's the key 9, and I like to turn it on mallets, right? And I'll use the second octave. It gives you an octave down. So you can use it like that as well, you know. So you can use it like that as well, you know what I'm saying? Like you don't have to, you got to just be creative with these pedals. And kicking on a little delay and reverb, you know, see what I got on there. I got the filter delay on the MS50G. I'm going to run that at time at 500. Feedback, FB is on 30. Mix is 8. The rate is 7. The depth is 100. And the resonance is on 8. And the level is 100. Tail is off. Running that into an HD reverb. Decay is 23. Tone is 3. The mix is 7. Pre-delay is 107. High pass filter set to 7. Level is 100. Tail is on. So bam, great tone right there.